Welcome to uKnowva HRMS. Today we'll walk you through the exit management process, your go-to solution for structuring an employee's smooth offboarding experience. Whether you prefer default settings or custom configurations, we've got you covered. Let's get started. To begin, navigate to the Set Exit Management Process page. Here you can define the resignation workflow, exit interviews, full and final settlements, and more. First, you need to decide, do you want to use the default settings or customize them? Let's explore both options. If you select Yes, use default settings, uKnowva HRMS applies predefined configurations, including the approval matrix, notice period settings, and email notifications, all aligned with industry standards. Just click Confirm and Proceed, and you're all set. But what if you want to modify these settings? Select No, Change Settings, and let's walk through the customization options. Here you can update the approval matrix, adjust the notice period, and configure other resignation-related preferences. By default, only employees can resign on their own. But if you enable this option, designated users can initiate resignations for others. Next, let's talk about resignation reasons. You can maintain a predefined list like personal reasons, better job opportunities, or health concerns. Admins get additional reasons for better tracking. Do you want employees to modify their last working date? If yes, enable the setting. Similarly, employees can also withdraw resignations if the approval process is activated. The system's default notice period is 60 days, but you can modify this according to your organization's policies. Shortfalls in the notice period? No worries. You can configure it to be deducted from the basic salary or other components. By default, blocked users can still resign. You can change this if needed by toggling the Allow Resignation for Blocked Users option. Additionally, you can toggle the CC HR and System Admins option to add HR and admin and resignation-related emails for better communication. Once you're satisfied with your settings, click Confirm and Proceed to save all configurations. That's it. You've successfully set up the exit management process in uKnowva HRMS. Thank you for watching. For more such tutorials, stay tuned to uKnowva HRMS.